I'm Jasmine Roth, and I'm the guest editor of HGTV Magazine for the October issue. I'm so excited to be here. I haven't been to the HGTV Magazine offices in years. Literally, I had a baby, I haven't traveled to New York in a few years, and it is surreal to be back here, especially as the guest editor. The view is amazing, everybody's super friendly, and yeah, I get to see my project laid out in HGTV Magazine, so yeah, it's really exciting. Being the guest editor of HGTV Magazine means that I literally get to have a finger on the pulse of the entire magazine. I get to make decisions, I get to talk about the things that I think are interesting and fun, and yeah, I get to kind of showcase some of my own projects as well. So there's a lot of different things that go into making a magazine. There's tips, there's tricks, there's paint colors and products and stories and information. And I think the fun thing about this issue is that all of those things kind of tie back to me, my designs, my show. So anybody that follows on social media or likes watching Help I Wrecked My House, there's gonna be a little something for everybody in this issue. HGTV Magazine called and asked me to be the guest editor, which was completely surreal. But then they were like, okay, so let us know what project you want to showcase on the cover of the magazine. I was like, oh my gosh. I mean, obviously we have a lot of projects going for Help I Wrecked My House, but I wanted to do something that was a little bit more personal. Anyway, the stars kind of aligned. Brett and I have been looking at a little cabin in the woods, and we ended up buying it and renovating it and photographing it. And so that's going to be the cover of the magazine. It was a bit of a wild ride though. I love magazines. I'm obsessed with magazines. I look at them all the time. I want to say I devour them. I'm constantly going through magazines. And so I think I'm always kind of looking at things also from a print standpoint. I take a ton of pictures. I photograph everything I do. And so I think that running my social media kind of like a magazine for all these years will help prepare me for making a really great issue of HGTV Magazine. It's been a bit of a challenge because I'm always on a job site and there's spotty Wi-Fi, so we're trying to have video chats and it's cutting in, cutting out. I'm trying to show them products and just taking meetings even when I get home from work. And it's late here in New York, it's early still in California. It's been a challenge. So I'm super excited to be at the HGTV Magazine offices in person. We're gonna get a ton done. We're gonna go through everything. I'm not leaving until this is finished. Seeing how professionals lay out a magazine, what it takes to put a magazine together, seeing the editorial process and just all of the photography and everything that goes into it has been eye-opening and such a surreal experience. Jasmine Roth, Help I Wrecked My House. Catch the season premiere Saturday, August 27th at 8 p.m. It says, I love my hot tub. It's made of cedar and you feel at one with nature when you're in it. I do love my hot tub. Just so you guys know, HGTV Magazine has set the bar high